Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove labels from your Gmail account. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. I have Chrome. Go to gmail.com. You can click over here, Gmail, and that's how you can easily access Gmail. Then I want you to focus your attention on the left side. Over here, you will see a section called labels. However, if it's not showing up on your screen, you can click more and that option should be visible right now. All right. So over here, all of my labels are listed. You can select or hover on it. For example, I have in here YouTube. On the right side, there should be three dots to reveal more options. And you will have remove label. Click on it and just go ahead, proceed, click on delete. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer visible here on my list of labels. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.